sneeze, your body forcefully releases a burst of air from your lungs through both your nose and mouth to clear irritants from your nasal passages or throat. Sneezing is an automatic reflex triggered when the trigeminal nerve in your nose becomes irritated. This nerve is linked to the brainstem's sneeze center, which signals the closure of your throat, eyes, and mouth while contracting your chest muscles. Here are some effects and triggers of sneezing. Heart rate. Increased chest pressure temporarily reduces blood flow to the heart, causing a brief change in heart rate, though the heart doesn't stop beating. Endorphins release. Sneezing triggers the release of endorphins, feel-good chemicals that can create a sense of well-being. Germ spread. A single sneeze can release up to 100,000 germs, potentially spreading viruses like the flu or cold. Ruptured eardrum. Holding in a sneeze may rupture the eardrum, sometimes causing temporary hearing loss. Most cases heal within a few weeks. Common sneezing triggers. Allergies to pollen, mold, dust, or pet dander. Inhalation of corticosteroids or other medications. Colds or the flu. Drug withdrawal. Dust and air pollution. Dry air. Spicy foods. Strong emotions.